a little after 7, so shoot. Yeah, 4 hours. I don't know, we're not making great time at the moment. We're still 4 or 5 hours out, but I think we got a current coming up against us, and we got waves pushing us from behind or rolling into us, so it's been a pretty bouncy little trip so far. The engines and everything seem to be behaving themselves at the moment. Jeannie's not feeling too well, and we got hit by some bad waves, which were actually a wake, but yeah, we've forgotten to tie down the whatchamacallit here, yeah, oh wow, that dinged up. But yeah, that whole thing came out, massive spillage and broken dishes, and you see all the food there. We're getting a bit of a roll right now, so we got that little mess to clean up. Other than that, it's been somewhat uneventful, except for Jeannie feeling seasick. But I think that was when she went down to do some cleaning and everything. There's the port side, got water coming out. Nice day, temp-wise. Smile. How you feeling? Need more water? Well, we have gone 53 miles now, and still got 28 miles to go. We got one more segment to go before we start our turn into Cape Canaveral. Right now it's showing us getting in a little bit after 6, like 6:02. Port engine still leaking a little bit of transmission fluid. I've also seen the bow is getting water and the stern is getting watered. I think the bow is coming in through the anchor locker drain. We never put a hose on that, so obviously we need to put a hose on that and then have a dedicated pump to remove it probably. And of course the stern is getting it from the hatches, I'm pretty sure. Let me go get some shots of that, and we'll do a water check and whatnot. Overall, everything's behaving itself. Okay, we'll go ahead and walk around real quick. There's our water. Good strong water, and you can somewhat see those swells coming in. But man, there was some really big ones about 10 minutes or so ago. I mean, the boat went way up in the back and way down. It was like, what in the world? It was a set of about 5 or 6 of them. It's probably causing our water to be very slow. Comes on every 15-20 minutes maybe, where it empties out water. Where you see the way the water washes up on that. Looks like we get a shot from the outside. There's Jeannie manning her post quite well. depth. Look, we've gone into the black hole. I don't know what it is with those nav charts. Here are engine instruments. And for whatever reason, need to work on this one. The port engine display freaks out. It's doing 1800 if you go down below and look at it. But yeah, it just flickers when you get above about 12 or 1300 RPM for some reason. We are right there, and I'm going to bring us, when we get to about there, go ahead and cut over. Just want to avoid that 10-foot area. That's when we make our first turn towards Cape Canaveral. Later. Jeannie got an email, and I eventually got an email too, from Cape Marina that our slip was canceled, that we were staying in the night. So we frantically called them, and they apparently have somebody who's squatting on the slip, and they've been trying for the past week to get them out of there and still have not been successful. They did have one other slip that they're moving us over to, which isn't on the T-dock, but it's close to old PCYC. Do have to really thank the Cape Marina guy for going above and beyond and finding another spot to possibly stick us. Great appreciation for doing that. Later. Here's our sunset. We are 14 minutes from the entrance to Port Canaveral, and we're about 45 minutes from where we will be docking. There seems to be a little bit of wind now. Hopefully it won't be too bad once we get up in there. Be somewhat sheltered. We will find out and deal with it. Good afternoon. We are at the slipway. Well, we missed all the excitement. Forgot to set the cameras up. So a little trip over. Other than getting in wasn't too bad. But getting out was quite a bit of wind. Although it dies down over here, so it's not too bad. Anyway, they're going to pull us out in probably 30-45 more minutes to start working on a bottom job there. Be interesting to see what it looks like underneath. It's been 2 years since the boat's been out of the water. Exactly. Certainly looks a lot better than she did when we first brought her. Of course, you'd hope that'd be the case. And that was 6 years ago. Okay, so it is coming out of the water now. Looks like some flake off in a couple different places there. I mean, the red looks pretty good. Big failure right there.
I guess flashed off, whatever.
Yeah.
Gotta sand it real good to get it. We'll put more on there. 2 years. Real good.
Yeah, okay, well, I'm gonna let you get to your fun. Later.